It's got a chip tune, y'all.
Yeah, email tune.
Oh, like you are the fucking real MVP.
Chip, and it's still on the board crooked. It's top on, it's pulling harder.
Have fun, kids! That. So, Joe found a stock ECU for $60.
Was it 60 bucks?
Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with the price that he got it for, because that's usually they're what, like a couple $100.
Yeah, people wanted like 150 bucks.
Yeah. So
we're literally just gonna throw the fucking ECU away and use just the case.
as you can see, yeah, it's dissecting it.
This one was chipped too.
Was it?
Yeah, it's got some sort of bullshit on it.
It's got a chip tune, y'all.
Yeah, email tune.
Email tune, yeah. It's probably like, you know, adds 170 more horses, I bet.
Yeah, at least. Look at that. Then they used fucking rubber grommets to balance out the chip, and then it's still on the board crooked.
Wait, let's see. Can you show me?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, just gonna shove that. Yeah, I can see it. Also do
Yeah.
that. It wasn't even fucking plugged in all the way. I'm sure this thing went top dog.
Well, good thing is we just need the case, which is cool. And what else? You got a couple other switches, right? Because
oh, headlight switch.
which is good. Needed that. What about the motor for the window?
No, he didn't need that.
Oh, he didn't need that?
No, it was that was the amplifier.
And you fixed that?
Yes.
Yeah. So you fixed most things. Is there anything that you couldn't fix?
Well, we haven't fixed the blower motor being on 100% of the time yet. I don't know if he wants to go through with triggering that out. Just unplug the resistor and it shuts off. Not ideal, but he's already in this a lot of money.
You'll be able to tune them though.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not the cooling fan. This is the blower motor fan. So in the
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know why I had that confused. So yeah, and then I think it's going to paint, right? And he's going to get the trunk painted. This car has grown on me. Now that the electrical is semi-figured out. I mean, I've always really liked it, but pretty sweet. You got the dash back in.
Yeah.
Looks good. Yeah, this car is cool. I mean, it's a pain in the ass when you fry all the electrical components. Sorry, Joe. But you know, what do you call it? 90s shitbox problems?
Pretty much.
All right. Well, we're gonna let Edgar finish wiring up, I guess, the Link here, the G4X, and then you'll be calibrating some stuff, getting it ready for the teen.
Yeah, setting up some stuff, getting it all ready and hooked up, and then
There we go.
getting it done.
All right, we'll be back. Hey, way to go on the dyno. What are you hoping to make?
No idea.
Don't you kind of feel like a little bit like we are paparazzi today? Come on. No. laying around.
Yeah.
It's popped off, but we got her fixed. Well, or we will. What are you revving up to? 75?
72.
How many pounds is that?
Almost like 19.
Falls off right here.
Yeah, it's the wastegate opening up. Internal wastegate issues.
Oh, okay.
That's a lot smoother than Kenrick.
What?
I said, but it's a lot smoother than Kenrick.
What spark plugs are in it then?
I think 10 seconds.
What, so that was rev limit that you had?
Yeah.
Okay. You said it's making more power?
Yeah, just towards the top end and it's pulling harder.
So what are you looking at now when you look at the spark plug?
Looking at pretty much what's going on inside the engine.
What's it telling you?
Everything's looking pretty good.
Well, I thought you were thinking of like a sarcastic answer.
No, everything's looking alright.
Good.
Just back it off a little bit and that's all. That's it.
Okay. So what do you think? 420? You could leave it 420. That's a good number. No?
Yeah.
Sounds way better there. We're going to leave it there. 423, baby. Sometimes it doesn't like too much, so we got to pull it back. Want to make the little SR happy. All right, be safe. You're like mom. Have fun, kids. Seriously, be careful. You only got one headlight, you know, and you brown, so. What's that? Yeah, the scrape is what I'm talking about, yeah. Yeah, dude, that...
Dude, that thing fucking moved.
That's what I'm saying, that's what I was asking, I heard you. Yeah.
I had a few times I'll bring my friend and fucking smack their head on the bar.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And I was like,
You need to give him
hold on.
you need
I'm
like
fucking
a,
liable for that
you
shit.
need a pool noodle, bruh.
Little noodle. Yeah.
A noodle.
That'd be funny. Fuck that, dude.
Dude, they fucking, my brother had like a TV screen and him and like some girl or whatever got into an accident and the fucking screen, like the airbag popped out and the screen just like launched. Like this girl could have fucking died. Yeah, no, she was lucky. No, she didn't too. She was cool. Hold on, whoever you are, girl, like you are the fucking real MVP. I'll tell you. Fuck. Not too bad, man.
It's just stock bottom end, right?
Not bad. What do you think? What do you think with ethanol?
I don't know. The turbo seems to start to run out of steam. So it might be one of those deals where it doesn't pick up a whole lot of power on ethanol, but it picks up a lot of response and torque, which is not going to make the engine happy for stock bottom end. So you would definitely have to tune around it. I mean, it'd probably make 450 maybe.